Professional sounding Clubhouse audio. You're probably here because you'd like to know how to upgrade your Clubhouse audio from the built-in iPhone microphone to a sexy sounding external microphone that helps you better connect with people through the power of your voice. Hey there, I'm Shalico, and today I'm going to share with you my Clubhouse audio setup. Voila! Clubhouse, as you probably know, is the audio-based, invite-only iPhone app that is blowing up everywhere. It is all the rage right now, and good audio makes all the difference. So I spent months trying to figure out how to get good quality audio, going through tons of things that didn't work to get this setup, which I'm super happy with. And so today I hope to share that with you and save you all the hassle of going through the trials and tribulations that I did. So what in the world is this contraption, you might be asking yourself? Well, it's a friction arm with my audio setup. For the stand, you can use whatever setup works for you. Maybe you don't need a stand at all. I really like this setup. To break it down for you, I'm using a super clamp with a Manfrotto 244 friction arm on it, with a camera bracket on it, with an iPhone tripod mount, and then a small rig so I have another articulating arm on the microphone. This might be overkill for you, but I super love it because I can adjust the whole thing really easily. Move it out of the way, quickly adjust it, and then I have my hands free to use the app, moderate, check out people's profiles, hop over to Twitter, send people a message. It's super great. Works really well for me. Your results may vary. I'll go ahead and drop affiliate links in the description below so you can check out all the things that I used in my setup. The nuts and bolts for the audio setup are that you're going to need either an iPhone that has a headphone jack, or you're going to need a dongle that adapts from Lightning to TRRS. What the what? TRRS? Basically, it just looks like an iPhone to a headphone jack. It's a 4-pin headphone jack versus a 3-pin headphone jack. I would just get the iPhone brand. None of those off-brand ones, even if they said that they were Apple certified, worked for me. Once you have a headphone jack, you can plug in any microphone and it'll just work. But how are you gonna hear people? So I used this splitter to split my mic from my headphone jack. That way I could run one line to my microphone and the other to my headphones. From there, you can use any microphone you can plug in. You could use this very affordable lavalier mic, but I don't like dealing with all these cables. I like to use the Rode Mic Pro Plus with a windscreen on it to help eliminate any breathiness or wind noise. I like to use this microphone because it has an auto on-off feature. So when I plug it in, it automatically turns on, and when I unplug it, it automatically turns off. So I never wind up coming back to a dead microphone that I forgot to turn off. And then for my headphones, I'm just using a pair of Sonys I had laying around. They're comfortable headphones that I can sit and talk in for hours. You could just use earbuds or whatever. Voila! There you have it. My beautiful hands-free setup with professional audio. Hope this is helpful. If so, smash that like button. And you know what? Here's what didn't work for me. I was really hoping that Zoom's IQ6 would work, but this lightning-based microphone didn't work for me, so I'm guessing that most lightning-based microphones aren't gonna work. This Rode SC6L lightning to headphone with 2 microphone inputs didn't work for me either. I was hoping that might work for 1 microphone, or maybe there's a use case where you would use 2 microphones. Doesn't matter, doesn't work. And none of these off-brand, self-proclaimed iPhone certified dongles that split the lightning jack into a headphone jack work for me either. So don't waste your money on those. You're welcome. I'm super stoked on Clubhouse, so if you have an idea for a room and you need a moderator, a facilitator, or a co-host, go ahead, slide in my DMs on Twitter, hit me up, pitch your idea. If it's a good fit, I'd love to help you out. Also, I'll drop my Clubhouse link down in the description. I'd love to connect with you over there. I really enjoy having authentic conversations and connecting with other creatives. So if you're into photography, filmmaking, entrepreneurship, go ahead and give me a follow there and join my club. I'm Shellico. I'm a San Francisco-based photographer and filmmaker. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you're into that kind of thing. Boom! I hope this is helpful. Hope this helps you make something you're super excited about, and or maybe something that you're not excited about. I mean, I guess that's fine too. Good luck to you, and I will see you in the next one.